Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to keep your Apple devices running smooth and up to date. If we want to install the latest iOS version on our iPhone, we'll head to Settings to get started with the update process, where we can check for and download available updates, making sure our device has the newest features and security fixes. We have the option of General Settings available now, which will allow us to access several further configuration options easily. Go there and navigate to Software Update to check for new updates. Go to Software Update and check for any available updates now. If your device is showing you that an update is available, which is what we're looking for, then we'll proceed with updating it by clicking on the Update Now button, which will start the process of getting the latest software version installed on your device right away. Now that our update has been requested, let's take a moment to turn on automatic updates. So whenever a new update becomes available, it will seamlessly start installing, ensuring you always have the latest features and security patches, which is especially convenient for keeping your device running smoothly and securely with all the newest capabilities. Our update has been requested, and now we'll turn on automatic updates, so new updates will install automatically in the future for convenience. Now that we've completed the update process, you can see our iPad's latest version is installed, and it's confirmed here that our iOS is indeed up to date, which is great. Everything should be running smoothly now. You can see our iPad update is successfully installed, our latest version is updated, and it's confirmed here that iOS is up to date with the current version. Updated your iOS device? Check the description for a discount. Like and subscribe!